So I'm here talking to Peg Pennington. Peg, we're excited that you're going to be leading our next workshop. Can you tell us a little bit why people want to come to this Lean Inbox workshop?
Oh, absolutely, Eric. Thank you. The Lean Inbox workshop is just a great opportunity if you work in a transactional environment to come out and run through this hands-on simulation and really get into the principles of Lean. So in the simulation, you're going to have the opportunity to identify a business case, a problem, understand why value stream mapping and horizontal thinking is so critical to improving processes. So you'll have a real hands-on opportunity to improve the process, create a future state, plot your metrics and see those improvements. And it's going to be a whole lot of fun.
All right, Peg, thanks a lot. We really look forward to this workshop.